with the Hardy and the curly hair champion, and he is with 3x3 Rubik Cube in his hand, and he wants out in less than 1 minute. Yes, we already unsolved. Please unsolve it a bit more. Let's do it. He's doing. So it's the first layer almost. So one last finger work. You got a fast finger, where you can see. Very fast fingers, man. Very fast. Wish I could do it like this, man. He got the two with 3 edges. Yeah, he got it. Yeah, he got it. He's the king. He got it, bro. Just give it a closer look. So this is it, and he got that in less than 1 minute. I think it was 30 seconds, man. You do it, man.